Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a Zara fan like me, you know that sometimes you need to contact customer service for various reasons. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Zara customer service directly from the Zara app on your phone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you log into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this interface on the app. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here at the top, you can see several menu options. If you scroll to the right, here you can see the help option. Tap on it. Once you're in the help page, scroll down a little bit. And here you can see frequently asked questions. You can just randomly select any questions. For example, I'll select how to return. Next up, when you are in this page, scroll down to the bottom. And at the bottom, you can see the link that says contact us. Tap on it. Here you will see several options to contact Zara customer service. Here you can find options like chat, contact via WhatsApp, Facebook or Twitter. So you can choose any of the methods that you want. For example, I'll choose WhatsApp for now. Now it will redirect me to the WhatsApp. It will directly open the contact page to the Zara customer service. Here you can type your queries. You can type your query and ask in the chat box. A customer service representative will usually respond within a few minutes. So after sending your message, you will wait for a response and you can continue the conversation until your issue is resolved. And that's it. This is how you can easily contact Zara customer service directly from the Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.